Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you avoid the buyer's remorse that hits harder than a bad breakup. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we have the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS, a camera that promises superb image quality without making you feel like you're carrying a boulder. And on my right, we've got the Sony α6700, which sounds like a spaceship but is actually a high-tech camera that's out to impress. Let's get ready to rumble. In this corner, we have the G7KS, priced at a wallet-friendly $697. And in the other corner, the α6700, coming in hotter at $1,399. That's right, folks, this is a battle of the budget versus the I just sold my kidney for a camera. First up, let's talk image quality. The G7KS boasts superb DSLM image quality without the bulk and weight of traditional DSLRs. Reviewers rave about its impressive high ISO performance and 4K video recording, making it a fantastic value for its price. On the other hand, the α6700 features a 26.0 megapixels APS-C format XMOR-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, which is known for superior performance in both photography and videography, comparable to more expensive models. Reviewers are extremely satisfied with its high quality for videography and photography, making it a top choice for serious creators. Now let's focus on autofocus, pun totally intended. The G7KS comes with fast and precise autofocusing, with reviewers highlighting its ability to track subjects effectively, including face and eye detection. This feature is especially praised for capturing moments at events like weddings. Meanwhile, the α6700 is equipped with a dedicated AI processor for real-time recognition, making it exceptionally quick and intelligent. Reviewers appreciate its improved autofocus capabilities, especially for animal and object detection, making it a powerful tool for both amateurs and professionals. Let's roll into video capabilities. The G7KS features 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video modes, perfect for capturing those fun TikTok moments. Reviewers love its 4K video capabilities and user-friendly design. In contrast, the α6700 flexes with 4K, 60p, and even a 6K oversampled recording, offering a level of detail that is impressive for serious videographers. Reviewers note that it rivals higher-end models, making it a great choice for those focused on video production. Lastly, let's talk connectivity. The G7KS comes with integrated Wi-Fi sharing, allowing you to upload your masterpieces to social media with ease. Reviewers appreciate this feature as it enhances the overall user experience. On the other hand, the α6700 has high-tech connectivity features, but some reviewers mentioned that it lacks certain user-friendly elements, such as customizable on-screen menus, which could improve the experience for less experienced users. Overall, reviewers have praised both cameras for their unique strengths. The G7KS is recognized for its affordability and solid performance, making it a brilliant choice for enthusiasts. In contrast, the α6700 is lauded for its advanced features and superior image quality, appealing to professionals and serious hobbyists alike. However, some users have noted issues with the α6700, such as overheating and battery charging problems, which could be a consideration for potential buyers. So after all this camera combat, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a great deal and solid performance, the G7KS is your best friend. But if you've got money to burn and want some serious video capabilities, the α6700 might just be your dream machine. Remember, folks, It's not about the gear you have, but how you use it. Unless you're trying to impress someone, then it's definitely about the gear. So which one are you taking home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it fun.